Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we will be discussing how to use educational games, Bluekit and ABCya. So I am Karil Bogante.
And I am Alexander Libuna.
First, what are educational games? Educational games are digital activities that combine learning with fun. They help develop critical thinking, problem solving, and collaboration. Tools like Bluekit and ABCya make learning engaging and interactive. So, educational games are fun digital activities that help students learn while playing. They improve thinking, problem solving, and teamwork skills. Games like Bluekit and ABCya makes lesson more exciting and interactive, allowing students to enjoy learning while practicing important skills in a playful and engaging way. So what is Bluekit? An online quiz-based learning platform for students. Teachers host live games or assign them as homework. Students answer questions to earn points and compete with classmates. Suitable for various subjects, math, science, English, and the of Bluekit. Game mode, tower defense, gold quest, cafe, etc. Customizable quizzes. Teachers can create their own sets or use shared ones. Engagement. Students learn while playing competitively. Accessibility works on any device with internet access. Bluekit offers fun games mode like tower defense, gold quest, and cafe, and etc. Teachers can create or use shared quizzes. Students enjoy learning through competition, making lesson exciting. It's easy to use and works on any device with internet, making learning fun and accessible for everyone. Benefit of using Bluekit: encourages active participation in student motivation, promotes collaboration in teamwork, makes reviewing lesson more enjoyable, and lastly, provides instant feedback for learners and teachers. Bluekit helps students join lessons actively and stay motivated. It encourages teamwork and collaboration through fun games. Reviewing lessons becomes more enjoyable and less boring. It also gives instant feedback, helping both students and teachers see what needs improvement right away.
So, what is ABCya? A website offering free educational games for grades 3 K to 6. Focuses on math, reading, typing, logic, and creativity. Designed with colorful graphics and easy navigation for young learners. So ABCya is a free website with educational games for students from pre-K to grade 6. It helps children learn math, reading, typing, and logic while having fun. The games are colorful, easy to use, and designed to make learning enjoyable and engaging for young learners. Key features of ABCya: over 300 plus games across subjects. Supports foundational skills, counting, spelling, and grammar. Encourages creativity and exploration, aligned with curriculum standards for elementary education. So ABCya offers over 300 fun games in different subjects. It helps children practice basic skills like counting, spelling, and grammar. The games encourage creativity and exploration while keeping learning fun. ABCya also making it perfect for elementary students to learn through play. Benefits of using ABCya: makes learning fun and stress-free, builds confidence through independent play, enhances fine motor skills and digital literacy. Perfect for individual or group activities in class. So ABCya makes learning fun and easy for students. It helps build confidence as they learn by playing independently. The games also improve the fine motor skills and digital literacy. It's great for both individual and group activities, making classroom learning more enjoyable and engaging. Comparison of BlueKit and ABCA. Feature: targets users grade 3 to 12. Sa ABCA, pre-K to grade 6. Focus, review, and quizzes. And sa ABCA, skill building and creativity. For feature mode, sa BlueKit, multiplier and feature-led. Sa ABCA, single player or self-paced. Strength, sa BlueKit, competition and engagement. For ABCA, fun, foundational learning. So the image compares BlueKit and ABCA. BlueKit is for grade 3 to 12, focusing on reviews and quizzes through multiplier or teacher-led games that promote competition and engagement. ABCA is for pre-K grade 6, focusing on skill building and creativity with single player. Self-paced games that make learning fun and enjoyable. Classroom integration ideas. Use BlueKit for review sessions or formative assessment. Use ABCA for early finishers or learning stations. Combine both to reinforce concepts in a fun and interactive way. Teachers can use BlueKit for review sessions or quick assessments to check students' understanding. ABCA is great for early finishers or learning stations, allowing students to explore skills independently. Combining both platforms help reinforce lessons in a fun, interactive way, keeping students engaged and motivated to learn. So, conclusion. Both BlueKit and ABCA turn learning into an enjoyable experience. They support teachers in creating dynamic and student-centered lessons. Learning plus fun equals better engagement and retention. So, both BlueKit and ABCA make learning fun and exciting for students. They help teachers create engaging, student-centered lessons that keep learners active and interested. When learning is enjoyable, students stay focused and remember more, proving that learning plus fun equals better engagement and retention.
So today, I will be discussing how to use BlueKit. So, mag-pronounce kita BlueKit. So, amuro lang ang nag-join si Stephanie kay si Hyacinth. So, i-start natin. Amuro yung minutes. Kada sa cellphone na sa nag-answer. So, ang first is si Stephanie, tapos second si Hyacinth, tapos nag-pilot sa Hyacinth kay si Alexander kay nag-aagawan sa naka-points. Ang tawag ko ng candy na points. Tapos may ginansiran sa sa kanda nga cellphone nga gihimo ko nga mga questions. So, ang first nga nag-doubt is si Hyacinth, tapos ang second is si Stephanie, and last is si Alexander. Alexander got 19 candy and Hyacinth got 76 candy and Stephanie got 64 candy. So, sa Discover, pinagpala ng Discover, may makita nga sari-sari ng mga games. Halloween Candy Quiz, Season of Fall Holidays and Celebration, Taylor Swift, tapos mga math, mga body parts, iban pa. So, i-try natin. So, ang ginpili natin ng hampangan is BlueKit, first grade, and math. So, pili natin i-play solo, i-try natin. Then, pili kita ka Zombie Blitz, Pirate Pool, Hampang, diba? Tapos may pamangkot na din. 13 minus 12. 1. Very good. Tapos pabalik tayo sa games. My set, ang hinihino ko mga question, educational games, learners, learning. Ang mga hinihino ko mga games. Sa favorite, kung may lang na may atang mga games, pwede mo man i-favorites. Kaya makita mo na dyan diretso lagi. So, sa homework, kung may tinobra sa mga learners, makita mo na dyan. Tapos sa play, kung gusto mong ikaw na maghampang, pag gusto mong ma-join sa iban, pwede ikaw ka-join. Tapos sa setting, ang burkaya, mga setting na mga info na profile, plan, event info, social support, and privacy. That's all. Thank you.